Grand Rising. Good afternoon. Good evening. What's happening with you guys out there? Just wanted to bring this to you. It's a pre-approval from BB&T that you guys can use to help you out. Uh, it's the CPNs, SSNs. Use it for here at BB&T. Go through the application. See if you get pre-approved. They are favorable with CPNs. Um, so give it a try. BB&T, I think they pull from TransUnion. So look for that inquiry if you do get approved. But for the soft pull, it's not going to show up on your credit report. So it'll be nice and easy to check and see if you get approved. If not, come back later on another day. It's not going to be an inquiry on your file. So it's something that's easy that you can use, get through. Um, they have merged with SunTrust Bank, so BB&T and SunTrust Bank have merged together. But they're offering pre-approvals, and I like to bring this to you, so I always like to get my files done without having to get approved, without any inquiries on my file. That's what I really like. So I go around about it this way. Look for soft pulls on the internet, and then you just go put your number in there and see what comes about. And I'll be making more videos where you can find different places that'll help you get credit for your CPNs, your SSNs. And if you need any other help and assistance, you always can give me a call in the description. My email is down there, phone number's down there, and I'll leave the link to this pre-approval also down in the description. And also, if you can like, subscribe, and share my videos, I really appreciate it. Be back to bring you more and more heat from the Church of Money, and this right here is just a little something to give you guys to get them. Many of you who contacted me and who are trying to look for funding. Well, I'm gonna provide a few sources for you guys, and if you need any other sources, you know where I'm at. Like I said, so I don't want to go any further, any delay. Just follow the steps, do your thing, keep them CPNs clean the right way, keep them SSNs clean the right way. Utilize that EIN so make it work for itself. Use it all together, one big mash, and the results should be good. Been getting a lot of good responses back from a lot of our clients and a lot of Church of Money members. So um, hey, it's like everything's going in the right direction. So be a part of the team, live your dream, and get your cream. That's what you all should be doing, trying to be about. Get that bread. And don't worry about what's going on with the political matters, social matters. If you you better your financial matters, all those other things will fall in place. You can buy a better psychologist. You can get you a therapist, so he can work through all those issues if you got a few dollars in your pocket. So it's not hard to do. So get it done. And like I said, I'll leave the description for this BB&T offer, soft pull offer, so it won't leave a derogatory or any inquiries on your file. So once again, thank you guys for liking, liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. And I hope you continue. And I wish you all much success in your endeavors. And peace to the guys. I'll just let this continue and play on. Uh, but yeah, get your pre-approval. It's not. It's right there. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Don't be late. There's many other offers I'll bring to you. Like I said, many offers out here that'll help you increase and improve your situation, your lot in life. That's right. You can increase and improve your lot in life. Learning how to utilize your credit, and position yourself with different things and endeavors, and managing your finances properly. It's that simple. So, no further delay, no further, no more. This is it. Thank you. Peace to God.